How to create new account on Tinder. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new account on Tinder application. So you just downloaded your Tinder application, so let's open it. And here we have the option to sign in if we already have an account, or to create new account, which is this white button. So we're going to click on that, and we're just okay. Right, I don't need this. So it's going to send us a code. Here it is. Now we need to provide an email. Let's try if this works. Yes. And we can now connect with Apple, which I don't even need, but we can skip it in the top right corner of the screen. And as you can see, it says welcome to Tinder, please follow the house rules. So if you want, you can read this. I don't really care. I need to put a first name. Okay, I'm going to put whatever. Click next and click let's go. Birthday, again, whatever. Okay, next. Select gender. Okay, let's say man. Now you can choose your sexual orientation. We're going to click on straight for this example. Who are you interested in seeing? Okay, we said we are a man, so we are interested in women. Distant preference, yes. So here you can choose the distance from your specific location. So let's leave that at default 80 kilometers. And here you can say what are you looking for, a long-term partner, long-term, short-term, whatever, still figuring it out. Next, school name, I'm going to skip this. Lifestyle habits, you can choose whatever suits you. Here again, some authentic things that might suit you. And here you choose your interests. And the last one is your pictures. Right now I'm not going to choose mine, but it's the last section of creating new profile, so we're basically at the end. So that's basically it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you guys find it helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.